Wix versus WordPress, which one is better for the SEO? Today we are going to talk about Wix versus WordPress, which one is better for SEO. So here I have this little comparison table which will demonstrate the difference. So the first thing is built-in SEO tools. Wix has custom meta tags, social sharing, optimization, and robots.txt support. While if talk about the WordPress, WordPress is SEO friendly themes, personalized permanent links, structures and categories and tags. If you talk about integration, Wix integrate Google Analytics and Google My Business. If we talk about WordPress, WordPress integrates Yoast SEO plugin, hosting benefits like CDN, object cache, light speed, WordPress acceleration. If you talk about additional features, Wix setup checklist, social media like email campaigns, automated chart abandonment emails. If you talk about WordPress, Yoast SEO plugins, premium version offers advanced features, hosting and benefits. If we talk about app market availability, Wix has premium and limited free SEO apps. If we talk about WordPress, have various SEO plugins available, extensive options for optimization. If you talk about performance optimization, Wix automatically sitemap, updates, redirects, and image optimize. But if you talk about WordPress, optimization tools for post, internal linking, keyword research. If we talk about the total, conclusion, Wix offers built-in SEO tools and Google integration, but limited advanced features. If we talk about WordPress, provides extensive SEO features through plugin like Yoast SEO and benefits from hosting. That's pretty much it. That's what it is. Hope you guys find this video helpful.